Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I bring to you an unboxing, so keep on watching. However, this is not the typical unboxing because the package just arrived and it looks like this. I didn't open the box already came open. I mean, who sends a Louis Vuitton bag in a package like looks like this? So I just bought something from a vintage store here in my city. This is the same store where I got my pochette accessoire multicolor blank from. I really was a little bit disappointed with that piece because it wasn't exactly how they say it was. However, I did end up keeping the bag, but this one is scaring me a little bit. I mean, look, you can even see the bag. I'm surprised the company FedEx didn't steal my bag. I mean, look at the box. Who does this? Okay. And it's really squished, as you can see. The listing said that it was in good condition. This is the Speedy 25 in FB leather. And the listing said that it was in good condition, only for some discolorations on the corners and strong smell of storage, which actually is not really that bad. I'm sure I can take that away with some cleaning products. However, the listing didn't say that it was super wrinkled in the leather. I have tried to sell bags to them. I have tried to sell my Balenciaga papier tote and my Prada tote, and they didn't take the bags because they would say that it was that they were really damaged. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking my bags are in better condition than this. I don't like that wrinkle right there, and I don't like the wrinkles in the top. And this is the corners. And it has a pocket on the outside, two dual handles, and this is made in France. The interior doesn't smell that bad, as I was telling you. The interior is really dirty, you guys. The listing said that the interior was in good condition. The only thing that it had, allegedly, was the storage smell, which is not bad. The smell is not bad, actually. It does smells like a little bit of storage, but I'm pretty sure I can take that away with the cleaning products. However, the interior is a little bit dirty. Look at that, oh my god. That looks like a crime scene. Should I keep this? I mean, I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. Help me decide if I should keep this bag, you guys. I really wanted a Speedy 25 and the blue epi is absolutely sensational. However, this is not... I don't like that it's wrinkled and I don't like the dirty interior. and I'm pretty sure I can get a better bag from the vintage market in Japan, because they are pristine always, and they are always true to the description that they published. I'm really disappointed with this company. I don't like how they sent the bag, I don't like that it came squished, and I don't like that it's dirty on the inside when they said that it was in good condition. However, the price is not that bad because it was only $500. So you guys, I really need your help. Help me decide if I should keep this bag and send it to the cleaners, or if I should return it. So please let me know that in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on my Instagram, and see you on my next video. Bye.